If you have mastered lists and tuples, you are about to unlock two secret weapons in Python that will dictionaries and sets. They are fast, flexible, and can make your code 10x more efficient only if you know how to use them right. So in this video, let's break down everything about them with super easy examples. Hey everyone, this is CodeNFacts where coding meets clarity. Today we will explore two core Python data structures that are dictionaries and sets and understand how they work and when to use them and do some practical coding examples together. Let's get started. So first of all, see about dictionary. A dictionary in Python is used to store data in key value pairs. It's like a real dictionary where you search for a word that is key and get its meaning that is value. Let's see an example. Here student is a variable who stores name as key and here is name is Ajay, that is its value. Age is another key who stores 20 and branch is another key who store value as CSE. When we print student name, that will print as Ajay. Dictionaries are mutables, mean you can change them anytime. Let's see about some common dictionary operations. We can operate this dictionary as add and remove. For adding an item in this dictionary, we only use the key value and then it will be add the value at the dictionary. For removing an item from the dictionary, we just use pop function. It will be remove the items from the dictionary. Always use .get function when you are unsure if a key exists. And let's see about nested dictionary. Means a dictionary inside another dictionary. It is great for representing complex data. Let's see an example here. College is a variable. It has student 1 is a first dictionary and student 2 is another dictionary which have name and marks, and similarly student 2 have name and marks. When we print college student 2 and marks, it will be print the mark that is placed in the student 2. So it will be as 92. Let's see about what is set. Means a set is an unordered collection of unique items. Here is an example. Here number is 1 2 3 3 2, and when we print these numbers, the duplicates are automatically removed here. That means the output will 1 2 3. And remember, sets are mutable. Here no duplicates are allowed and we cannot access elements using index number. As in mathematics, there are three types of operations in set, that are union, intersection, and difference. Similarly, Python set has that all three operations, that are union, intersection, and difference. For here, let's see an example. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is 3, 4, 5, 6. For print A union B, that means it combine all these elements. And when we print A the intersection B, that means it will find out the common items between A and B. And when we print A difference B, that means the elements that is unique to A, so it will be print 1 and 2. Sets are perfect when you need to remove and duplicates, like when cleaning data from a CSV file. Dictionary is used when data has a relationship, and set is used when you only care about unique values. Knowing when to use which structures can make your code cleaner and faster. So that's all about dictionaries and sets, two game-changing data structures in Python. Now here is your challenge. The question is, write a Python program to count how many unique letters are in your full name using a set. Drop your answers in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to CodeNFacts, and share this with your coding friends. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.